So I'm going to be laying down in my videos until Monday. Hopefully Monday I'll be feeling better. The doctor said I could go to school then. Oh my gosh. But I just keep on getting sicker and sicker. I'm not giving up though. I'm not giving up on these videos. God called me to do this. I'm not going to stop. I should probably change the camera angle. Hold up. So this looks like a better camera angle. As you can see, I'm laying down. Don't judge me. I forgot what it's called, but I have this bad coughing thing and strep throat, okay? Why is it like all of my videos I'm sick? But I want you... Listen here. God is the best thing in the universe. So why are we treating other things greater than Him? For example, money. People often treat money with a lot of value because it can get them things. Money can't buy eternal peace, can it? No. God can buy eternal peace, right? So, trust God, and He will save you. And if you're wondering, life isn't fair, we have to do all of this, we'd be on the cross if life was fair. Spread the gospel, please. I'm begging you to spread the gospel. Let me say that in a more happy voice. Spread the gospel, please. Spreading the gospel is important.